guys, welcome back to another DIY slash organize with me video. Today I'm going to be doing my son's room. His room is a hot mess right now. Since we moved in, stuff has just been thrown all over the place. We have not gotten a chance to put up his new bed, his furniture, or anything like that. So today I'm going to be fixing up his room and making his room a big boy room. We did get rid of all of his old furniture from the previous home because it was broken, to be honest. So we're gonna just fix up his room real nice, and hopefully he will sleep in it. That's the goal. The goal is for me to make this as cozy and comfortable as possible so that he won't even want to leave his room to come disturb my peace in my room when I'm sleeping. So let's get right into it. I'm about to just move all this clothes. Actually, let me give you a tour of what the room looks like right now. So that's his bed. We didn't even put a bed frame up on it yet, which is terrible. But yeah, that's probably why the poor kid don't want to sleep in here. This is like a little couch thing over here that I had bought, and basically all of his clothes and stuff. It's a hot mess. His closet is right here behind this door. His closet actually has a door to it, which is right there. And I did put some stuff up in his closet already, but I'm gonna just, you know, clean up some more and get this bad boy ready for him. some reason the headboard is not fitting properly the way it's supposed to, so I'm gonna have to improvise and make it work. Okay. Okay, you guys, so the room is finally finished after a couple of days back to back to back. We're done. All the orders came in. So before we go in there, let's remember what the room looked like before. And now here's what the room looks like now.